Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put line around an image in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to put line around an image. Firstly, insert an image. Go to the blank page. Then we go to the tools section and we can see here many tools. First, find and select the place tool. Then choose picture from our file. Now I select this picture and click open. Then place the picture on our page. Now we want to add or put line around the picture. Select this picture and select the stroke option and choose any color. Now I select the black color. Then select the wide option and increase the wide. Then we click outside of the picture and check this. Now we can see we put line around picture very easily. You can change the color of line. Select this picture and select the stroke color option and change the color. Now we can see we added a line very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.